This e-bike has done over 10,000 miles now delivering food, with a few modifications. Throttle and voltmeter with key. USB charger. Front light that plugs into USB to charge. Phone holder. Gear lever on the other side so you can work the throttle at the same time. Chain guard. Rear light. Working straight off the main battery. Tweaked controller. Heated and cooled battery. Lasts for about 10 hours. Torque arms. Brake caliper mount about 4mm off because electric motor. Rusting away, but still going. Used in all weathers. Rain, ice, snow. Cooling system. Heating system. "10,000 miles, still going."